Hello, my name is Steve.
I'm Cynthia, and this is our Little Girl Wednesday.
And welcome to our 2024 Ford Transit Adventure Travel Camper Van build. Okay, we'll do a quick as possible video here for Facebook and then leave a link for the more in-depth videos on YouTube. All-wheel drive, emblems by Finishing Touch up in Idaho. And here's the garage area. Standard zero gravity chairs, supplies, gazebo. Up front here we have an extra window vent, and this is for our one max van. We were going to add a second fan, but we'll think about if we need to do that later. Vancillary extra shelf here for extra storage. Gnarly window covers that stay up and go down as needed. Dometic 75-liter dual zone fridge, so you can have freezer, fridge, or vice versa. Lagoon table, dual swivels. Underneath we have a Goal Zero 3000X power station, built-in inverter. We usually just run our hot water kettle off the inverter, and the refrigerator will run off the inverter, 110 inverter. The center we got USB outlets, and then on the left is 12-volt outlets. Here's our 15-inch drop-in sink from Amazon. Water by SureFlow pump. And water supply is 2 clear jugs here, 5-gallon jugs, and the clearness gives us the ability to do a real quick check of water supply. So we also have this is the nighttime mode, and then for the day it flips up real quick, and then we have access to our 2 cabinets. Cabinets contain all kinds of containers for different things that we want to take with us. And there's our slide out toilet it doubles as a seat, and there's everything we need inside of that. Right back home. So that's about it for the quick walk around again.